So we sand the timber to take machine marks out, and it makes the grain pop. I'm currently sanding with 80 grit to take some of these machine marks out. Now I'm going to 120 grit. Now I'm going to put some oil on, just so you can see how beautiful this timber is. So we use Osmo finishes because they are made out of plant oils and waxes and non-toxic when dry. So this is a waterproofing coat that soaks in and penetrates the grain. After 20 minutes, you clean the excess off. And look how beautiful that timber is. I'm passionate about recycled timber because every time you dress a piece, it's like a surprise. You never know what you're going to get. You're going to get different colours, different grains, different species. And yeah, it's just, every single piece is going to be different.